Hey there! Welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Please follow me. This is the spring Walmart beauty box. Walmart's done something a little interesting the past couple boxes. They put little pouches, sort of like the Ipsy. And there's some other interesting changes here with this box. First off, we got a theme. It's called Purely Pretty. And it looks like we have some like beauty kind of zen, but not like actual products. So we'll get into the products. So hey, we got the Walmart Spring 2019 beauty box, which I don't know, maybe it's a beauty bag now because they've started including these little bags. Little canvas bag here. Much better than the winter bag that didn't zip. This one's awesome. Perfect for my makeup brushes for when I travel. So I'll probably be using this when I go on my next trip. First item here, we have like more of like a spa item than an actual beauty product. It is a petite Woodwick candle, though I'm a little curious because it seems like it's in a plastic container, which makes me wonder, is this gonna melt when I burn it? But it's a Woodwick candle. It's a lavender spa. Maybe put it in your bathtub while you're having a bubble bath. Then we have purely inspired collagen peptides, grass-fed and pasture-raised, vitality blend with biotin. It's an unflavored dietary supplement. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it, but apparently drink it or maybe mix it in a protein shake, but they say Twitter, tweet, retweet, and yeah, they want you to really get down on the social media with this. It's keto certified, if you're into that kind of thing. Non-GMO, no sugar added, gluten-free, dairy-free. No wonder it's unflavored. Okay, oh, certified paleo, no wonder. So, easy to digest. So it's some kind of supplement. I'll drink it, I'll try it, we'll find out. Again, with the toothpaste. Hello, naturally whitening, farm-grown mint with tea tree and coconut oil. Fluoride toothpaste, naturally whitening. So, Hello's an awesome toothpaste brand. I love them. They're so great. Then we have some Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizing Cream in Sensitive Formula. And then, here's another. Walmart really likes Soo AE, or Soo, however you pronounce it. It's Korean. I don't speak Korean. V-Line Chin Up Mask. It's a compression facial treatment mask that lifts and firms and cares for your chin and jaw lines. Okay. It's 30 to 40 minutes of relaxation. So you put it on your chin and I guess it... Maybe you look like Hannibal Lecter or something. Speaking of monsters, I don't know if that was my cat you just heard tearing through my apartment while I'm doing this. So anyway, chin up mask, lifting, firming, chin up. So that is interesting. Oh, so you line the holes up of the center of your mask with your jaw. That's interesting. Maybe I'll have to do a video of me doing this mask. Anyway, that's purely pretty. Wow, that's a tongue twister. And that's where you can follow me. And until next time, stay beautiful.